In this video, I would like to explain one of the most simple ways to meditate. And this meditation is going to make you immediately happier. Immediately it allows you to feel better. We feel sad or good or happy or sweet or joyful according to the contents of our minds. If there are too many things to be worried about, too many things to be afraid of, too many things to be agitated about, then we cannot really be happier. So the simple way how to move from unhappiness to happiness is to stop thinking about the things that make you unhappy and start thinking about the things that makes you happy. That is the thing. But you cannot just stop the activity of the mind. If you suppress your thinking, there will be agitation and more unhappiness. So instead of suppressing the mind, we have to gently guide the mind from unhappiness to happiness. So this meditation is meditation on happiness. As you think, so you become. You think about happiness, you become happiness. So how to do? It's very simple. You need to sit. Ideally, if you can assume yogic posture, it is best of best, because this posture allows you to concentrate better. But if you cannot sit like that, you can sit in any position you like, preferably with a straight spine. You can use different props, pillow, to feel more comfortable. And then when you sit, you try to relax every muscle in your body. You relax the facial muscles, the eyes, the eyelids. And when you feel that you are physically, there is no tension, then go concentrating on your breath. Observe as you breathe in, observe what happens. I am breathing in, my diaphragm, my belly goes forward, my lungs are being filled up with air. How simple it is just to breathe, just to sit. I don't have to do anything. I just sit, I breathe, and I enjoy this moment. I'm not in the past, I'm not in the future. I'm at this moment, and this moment is very beautiful. Just this, just breathing, already makes you a lot happier. You breathe in, you observe, you breathe out, you observe. And after some time, you add some more. As you breathe in, you make an auto-suggestion. I breathe in, I am aware that I am inhaling, I am aware of the process of breathing in, and at the same time, I feel happy. It makes me happy. I am breathing in and I am feeling happy. I am breathing out and I am feeling happy. I am feeling joyful and I am feeling sweet. I am feeling peaceful and I am feeling happy. So that sort of suggestion. I am breathing in and I am feeling happy. I am breathing out and I am feeling happy. That's it. And after you have done for 5-6 minutes, then you can just do this gesture. Namaskar, it means I salute the divinity in everything with the concentration of my mind and the love of my heart. And then you open your eyes. We can do together, we can do it in the form of guided meditation. So sit, if you are ready, let's go. Sit in a comfortable posture, relax all the muscles in your body, relax your eyes and close your eyes. Try to appreciate the beauty of this moment I'm just sitting calmly, and it is joyful, it is beautiful. Start observing your breathing process. I am breathing in. I am aware that my diaphragm moves. I am aware that my lungs are being filled up with the air. I am aware of the process of breathing out. It is so simple. I am enjoying the simplicity of sitting and breathing. There is no past, there is no future, there is only this moment. Let us add some auto-suggestion. I am breathing in, I am aware, and I am feeling happy. I am breathing out, and I am aware, and I am feeling happy. My entire body, my entire mind becomes happiness. Let us meditate a little more quietly, enjoying the simplicity of this process. Now, become aware of your body, become aware of your environment. Take a deep breath in and open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this very simple technique of meditation. You learned how to guide the mind from normal thinking to a very relaxed thinking, how to be aware, how to be in the present moment. Bit by bit, I will be introducing different aspects of meditation. In the near future, I will release another video. It will be the video about the expansion of the mind and the feeling of love. So if you would like to follow our channel, you can press the bell sign so you can be sure that you are not going to miss. And try and practice. I started meditation in the year 1996, and I remember I was extremely unhappy at that time. And I learned some simple way, and I meditated. And immediately, after 5 minutes, I felt there is a difference. And in the coming years, meditation made a huge change in my emotional, in everything actually. So, yeah, you can write in the comments how you feel, and maybe you're interested to learn different other aspects of meditation. Thank you very much for watching.